Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ultimate Plumbing and Repair. With the holiday season in full swing, we at Ultimate Plumbing believe in giving back to the community. Recently, a local Mooresville church contacted Ultimate Plumbing and asked if we could help one of their parishioners that was going through some plumbing issues. They didn't have hot water due to a faulty water heater and could not afford a new one. Hughes Supply of Huntersville was nice enough to donate a 20-gallon Rheem electric water heater, and Ultimate Plumbing donated the labor and parts. Joe, how did you find out about this situation?
One of my wife's friends volunteers for a Christian mission, and she was noticing that a lady that she knew here in Mooresville had no hot water since last Tuesday.
Joe, for this type of installation, what type of water heater did you install? And can you tell us about the project?
Electric water heaters are the best way to go. Small 20-gallon, 120-volt water heater. So it is a good quality water heater, and also the products that we installed would be the same products that we would install in every house. The high grade Uponor packs, the ball valves, brass ball valves, stuff like that.
Now, Joe, I understand that you grew up in a military household. Did that experience influence your desire to give back to the community?
Oh yeah, definitely. When you're in the military, especially I was a military brat. My dad was in the military. My son's in the military. My grandfather was. Everybody knows military doesn't pay a lot, so it is a civil servant type of duty job. And I started a business and I want to be able to give a little back. God has blessed us with my company and as busy as we are, and I feel obligated to give back a little bit. It feels good to be able to give back to people that can't afford services like this that we can give. Definitely want to have a shout out to Hughes Supply in Huntersville. Shannon was gracious enough to donate this 20-gallon Rheem water heater.
Thank you, Joe. Ultimate Plumbing and Repair is a family-owned plumbing repair business. They provide a wide selection of plumbing services to both residential and commercial locations, including bathroom remodels, gas line installations, general plumbing repairs, tankless water heater installations, drain cleaning, toilet repairs, and more. For more information, please call 704-892-5843 or visit ultimateplumbinginc.com.